Hello and welcome to Structon. Today, we are going to talk about Digit, a humanoid robot that Amazon is testing in its warehouses. What is Digit, and why does Amazon want to use it? Let's find out together as you hit that sub button. Digit is a bipedal robot that can walk, crouch, carry, and manipulate objects with its 4 of freedom arms. It was developed by Agility Robotics, a startup based in Oregon, USA, that specializes in legged locomotion. Digit is designed to go where humans go and do useful work safely in spaces designed for people. Amazon is one of the investors and customers of Agility Robotics. The e-commerce giant has been deploying various types of robots in its operations facilities to increase efficiency, accuracy, and safety. For example, it has over 750,000 robots working collaboratively with its employees, taking on highly repetitive tasks such as moving inventory, sorting packages, and consolidating totes. However, Amazon still faces some challenges in its warehouse automation. Some tasks require more dexterity and mobility than the current robots can provide. Some spaces and corners of the warehouses are not easily accessible by the existing robots. Some processes involve human-robot interaction that requires more natural and intuitive communication. This is where Digit comes in. Amazon believes that Digit can offer a new solution for warehouse automation that is more versatile, adaptable, and human-friendly. Digit can navigate complex environments, handle diverse objects, and collaborate with humans using voice and gesture commands. Amazon has started testing Digit in some of its warehouses this week. The initial use case for Digit is to help employees with tote recycling, which is a highly repetitive process of picking up and moving empty totes once inventory has been completely picked out of them. Digit can also assist employees with other tasks such as picking up customer orders, restocking shelves, and loading trucks. Amazon claims that using Digit will not reduce its workforce, but rather create new jobs and opportunities for its employees. It says that people are irreplaceable in its operations and that robots are only meant to eliminate the menial, the mundane, and the repetitive work. It also says that Digit will improve the ergonomics and safety of the workplace by reducing the need for employees to reach above their heads or squat down. So, what do you think of Digit? Do you think it will revolutionize warehouse automation? Do you think it will benefit or harm the workers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.